Welcome back, guys. Today we will learn about content loading placeholder in Flutter. We will be using a package for this. The package name is Shimmer. So, without wasting time, let's get started. First of all, we have to create a stateful widget with a class name loading content placeholder. And then let me import material.dart. After this, let me add Shimmer to the pubspec.yaml file and press the Ctrl+S on Windows to get the packages. Now we got the packages. Let's create a bool value for whether the user can control play and stop the animation. Basically, this has nothing with the content loading animation. You can get what you want without this. But it's just for you guys if someone needs to stop or to play. Now let's start from scaffolding. First, we have to create an app bar and give it a title, anything you want. Let me run my app. Here we have to select our emulator. But let me first connect my loading content placeholder.dart file to the main.dart. Now let's run our app by holding Ctrl+F5 on Windows. Our app is now running. Let me move the title to the center. Let's add a background color to our app bar. In the body, we have to add a container which will be holding all the content. Let's add a background color. And add some padding to our container, horizontal 16 and vertical 16. The color, padding, and other properties are now done. Let's move further. We have to add a column as a child to the container. We have to add expanded widget here and assign the shimmer as a child. Here the shimmer is not picking the properties, because we didn't import the package path from the pubspec.yaml. Let me import the path. In the shimmer, a child will be column. The base color and the highlight color, it's up to you guys to keep my colors, or you can put your colors. These colors are the main colors and are required for the animation, so you have to choose two different colors. If we choose the same color twice, we will not see animating point. Let's add enabled value here, which we are assigned as a bool value. Now let's add a row, and its first child will be a container. This is the container which we want to animate. So add a decoration, and its related properties like color should be must, and give it some border radius. The border radius is giving error because we have to remove the const from the decoration. Let's give it width and height. We have to add sized box here for spacing. And its spacing we want in width. Guys, as you can see now, we got the animating container. Let's work on its layout to make it more like Facebook content loading layout. Here we have to add another expanded widget, and its child will be a column, and give the alignment. Let's add another container. We have to just copy and paste the container we already have. And set different width and height. Let me copy and paste the sized box and set it to height. Also copy and paste the container here. We want the same container and its properties again. Again copy the same container, but its width should be something like 30. Now let's add a bigger in height like on Facebook. Its width will be double infinity and its height will be 150. Yes, it's cool. Our side square is now moved as we added our tallest container. So let's add cross-axis alignment to the row. We have to use our bool value here. First we have to add padding. In padding, a child will be a text button. In the on pressed we have to add set state. Let me add our bool value in set state. Enabled equals is not enabled. And the child of the text button will be text. We will be using a condition here, enabled. If, stop the animation. Else, play the animation. And let's add color and font size to the text. The color will be set. If, enabled, assign the color deep purple. Else, use the color cyan accent. Let's save and see our final result. If we click on stop, it will stop the animation and also change the text color. And if we play it, start animating and also the color and text changed. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and leave a like and comment. Also turn on the notification button to never miss an update.